Hey guys, George Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at the Beach Club and we just left the pool area. I want to show you this great view of the Beach Club Resort. That's the main lobby area. And it comes around. Now back there are villas. Villas are little, I think, condo apartments, and that's where their timeshares are. You can rent those, a little pricey. I want to show you this. We have been Disney fanatics for over 30 years. We've been to Disney hundreds, and I'm not joking, hundreds of times, and we now live here in Kissimmee. This is one of my favorite places in the entire property to be at. Now, that gigantic boat goes right into that. That boat, kids see them climbing up there? They climb up, they go down that tube, which is actually tube. It's not a fallen massive like it looks like. Goes inside that rock, and there's a slide that goes into the pool for the beach club. It's amazing. So now we're going to orient you to where we are. Across the way there, that, my friends, is Boardwalk. That's a Boardwalk Resort. It starts there's the resort, and there's all the Boardwalk restaurants and games. There's a working lighthouse that actually works, and that is the transportation that's going to take people to probably Epcot. Behind them, that's the Dolphin. Just to the between the lighthouse and Dolphin, that's the Swan Reserve, and the Swan is back there. That red and green building, that's the Swan. So there's all the properties here. This is awesome. Now the Yacht Club is tucked inside there. So the Yacht Club and Beach Club are connected, and that's it. So this is just by far one of my favorite spaces in all of Disney. Oh, by the way, that is sand. And by the way, just to orient you a little bit more, those people are walking on a walkway that goes to the International Gateway to the back of Epcot. Literally, they're probably 300 yards from the gate to get into Epcot from there. So from here, it's a hop, skip, and a jump to Epcot. And here comes a boat right now, if you see it, that's leaving Epcot International Gateway. They just drop some people off from the resorts and come and drop them back. So that's where they're going. And that boat is actually going to Hollywood Studios. Hollywood Studios is around the other side, that little island, and they're going to Hollywood Studios. That's what makes this part of Disney awesome. It is centrally located. Transportation out of this area is just fantastic. Beach Club is a beautiful space. The Yacht Club connects to it, so you kind of get a 2-for-1 deal. But this is George Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, listen, guys, we're off to our next adventure. Please like and subscribe. You guys take care.